Hello. This is a Defective made by. Okay, looks good and all that, but look at the gap, the opening. Let me see if I can point out to it. Right here, the opening here, and here. See it? Here, I'm gonna hold it against the light. Right there. And then this gap. The main thing is this one was leaking from the day one that I installed it on this passenger side. When window just a little bit cracked and it'll leak like massive leak. We had Meldo and all that, but I took care of that immediately. Took it to the dealer and they replaced the whole weather strip, thinking maybe it's bad. It's a brand new truck. And then they determined it was the rain guard. See, this one doesn't have the problem. This one doesn't have the problem. And it doesn't leak here. Only this window. So if you could, I don't know what you're gonna do. This side here, it's not leaking because it's not defective. There's no hole in here. No here. It's sealed. I'm like, here, I'll show you. It's a brand new truck. Not even 500 miles on it. Just bought it brand new, 576. Here's the dealer paperwork. Yesterday. And it says here, let's see if I can focus. They believe it's the rain guard. Thank you.